In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Cumberland Building Society. This comprehensive tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you successfully configure your online banking experience. We're going to cover everything you need, from understanding what requirements you'll need to get started all the way to your first login process. So let's dive right in. Before you begin, it's essential to make sure you meet a few basic requirements. First and foremost, you need to have a Cumberland Current account. This is vital as it forms the base of your online banking activities. You'll also need a valid photo ID. This can be your passport or a driving license. Either works fine. And lastly, ensure you have a UK mobile number. This isn't just for contact, but is essential for SMS verification as part of the security measures. Once you've confirmed you have everything you need, it's time to register online. Head over to the Internet Banking Registration page on the Cumberland Building Society website. Here, you will need to choose your preferred form of identification. You can opt to use your card details or personal details. This flexibility helps cater to different user preferences and makes the process more convenient for you. After selecting your ID type, it's time to fill in your information accurately and submit the form. Take your time here to double-check the details to avoid unnecessary delays or complications. Now that you've registered, let's move on to logging in for the first time. Start by navigating to the login page. Here, you will be required to enter your customer number, which you may also know as your username, along with your initial access code. This first step is crucial as it verifies your identity and initiates your session. As an added layer of security, you will be prompted to verify your identity via secure call. This step helps to protect your account from unauthorized access and ensures that only you can manage your online banking. After successful verification, you'll be required to set a new access code. This is your new password for accessing your online banking in the future. Choose something secure, yet memorable, and ensure you don't share it with anyone to keep your financial information safe. And that's it. You're now set up with Cumberland Building Society's online banking platform. Remember, anytime you log in, ensure your devices are secure and your network is safe to keep your financial information protected. If you encounter any issues or need help, don't hesitate to contact Cumberland Building Society's support team for assistance. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you enjoy the convenience of managing your finances online with Cumberland Building Society.